What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Corey J from Koreejs Boutique, and today I'm coming to you all with a very sexy and sassy hot girl summer look, okay? If you're interested in learning just how I achieve this look, continue watching right now. So I'm taking a full lace wig that I've already customized. I've bleached it and I put an elastic band on it. This full lace wig is from my business, Koreejs Boutique, and the texture is Italian curly. So I braided her hair straight to the back, and then I proceeded to put the wig on her head via the elastic band. This is before I put her cap on or anything, because I wanted to pluck it, but I wanted to pluck it on her head for just, I don't know, a more realistic look. So the first thing I'm doing is spraying water on the hair to relax it, and then I'm going in with my hot comb. Now we're gonna start plucking. So I have a really detailed video on plucking if you want to learn better, but as you can see, I parted the baby hairs out. I'm taking it, I'm pulling the hair in one direction as she's pulling the lace down to keep it in place, and then I'm also plucking. I like to pluck like that just to make sure I'm not actually on the lace and making holes in the lace. I can actually see also the fruits of my labor as I'm pulling the hair out. I'm just helping it come out more seamlessly. Look at that, it looks just like scalp. And of course I'm gonna do the same thing on the sides. And once I'm done and I'm like combing it back, this is how you really just see, okay, is this to my liking? Should I pluck more? Should I stop? You should do that often just to make sure that you don't over pluck. And then of course you just continuously pluck until your frontal is to your desire. Okay, so now that I have gone in and glued her cap down, I just wanted to go and put some 99% alcohol on her forehead to prepare it for this Ghost Bond glue that I'm going to use. I also used some mousse to just lay her hair back just so that it doesn't get messy. We want this to be a really, really neat look. And then to prepare for the glue, I went ahead and cut the frontal into 3 sections. So there's a left side, a middle, and a right side. And that's how I'm gonna glue the wig down. And like I said, I'm using Ghost Bond. I'm using the XL. Once that glue dries and becomes clear, you want to just place that frontal right into there. You want to push the lace down so that it sinks in the glue, but not so much that the glue comes on top of the frontal. So if you are a beginner, be careful. That is one easy way to mess your frontal up very quickly. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on both sides. Make sure you get a lot of glue on that ear. The ear is the trickiest part for me personally when I'm doing hair, so I try to get a lot of glue on there. And as you can see, I'm just kind of combing on top to make sure it seeps in, and then I'm also drying it. So now I'm going to cut the lace off in sections, starting with the middle. You can't really see, but I'm twisting my scissors back and forth in a sort of zigzag motion to make sure that the line isn't absolutely straight across, because that looks crazy. And then as you can see, there was a little lifting still. So after that, I go back and I kind of do patchwork just to make sure all of my edges are completely down. So now while I wet and cut the back of her hair, I'm going to just let the frontal sit and kind of dry a little more before I begin making baby hairs. I don't want it to lift, so I want to let it dry. Okay, so now the hair has been cut. I apologize that I didn't get this on camera. My camera died, but I just cut it with a razor comb. Literally, I parted it in sections and cut it with a razor comb, and this is the results that I've gotten. Again, this is a full lace Italian curly wig from Koreejs Boutique. You can definitely comment or DM me on any of my social media platforms for purchase, okay? This wig is gorgeous, and I think that it's an amazing summer look. So to finish off, I'm going to take my foundation and place it on the very edges of the frontal. And as you can see, it kind of like erases that whole straight across line look. And then once you put the baby hairs over it, it just makes it literally look so seamless. Okay, y'all, so baby hairs, they're tough. They're tough for everybody, including myself. So I take a razor comb and I cut down the baby hairs. Make sure that you're cutting your baby hairs short enough, but not too short, because that can be an issue. Sometimes they be crawling down your face because they be too long. Just cut them short. Keep them short. And then although mousse is really good for the flexibility of the baby hairs, also try using something a little more intense, like a got-to-be glue on top of it, just so that it'll stay in place, because with just mousse, those edges will never stay. And then again, you want to wrap them up, let them dry for a second, and then the finished results, here you are. And there you go. This looks amazing. Sis is loving her hair. I really loved doing this install in this video. I hope you all loved watching this. Please stay tuned, because there's more coming, and it's coming fast. If you have not already done so, please shop and subscribe today.